Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying power and connections. Plug the case into a proven charger and watch for any LED response. If there's no light, remove visible lint from the port and dry any moisture. Use a soft brush. Next, open the lid and inspect the charging pins. Make sure earbud contacts line up with the case pads. Once done, try a different cable and adapter to rule out a bad cord. These quick checks narrow down the problem fast. Now you perform deeper diagnostics to find internal issues. If you have a multimeter, measure the case battery voltage and the output at the charging pins. That tells you if the battery or regulator is dead. Also reset the earbuds and case using the manufacturer steps. This can revive charging logic. If you open the case, look for a swollen battery, corroded contacts, or broken solder joints. These are common failure points that explain why the case won't charge. Finish by choosing the right fix. Replace a failed battery or charging module only if you can match voltage and size, because wrong parts cause more damage. Reseat bent pins gently or replace a corroded cable. Reassemble with care and test charging before closing. Make sure to try one last reset and a different charger. If it still fails, seek warranty support or a professional repair. One key troubleshooting tip: document symptoms and tests you ran to speed up service.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.